SOUNARC. This product enables you to sing. It can realize your singer dream. Karaoke is supported with 2 wireless mic. Oh my goodness, 150 watts power. Just check out this, guys. You don't need to worry about the loudness because it's gonna be super loud. The only thing you have to worry is the place, you know. Be careful about that. There is light mode. How can we miss that if it's a party speaker? And check this out, 18 hours of playtime. IPX7XX, IPX6 waterproof. Type-C cable, 2 mic. Woohoo! A strap, so you can enjoy singing any way you want. Remote control, classic style, a manual. And finally, the speaker. And that's all the stuff you get from the box. And now, let's move to the design. Here, definitely is for the strap, right? And there are 2 rows of buttons on the top. Just check this out. I'm moving to the back. It's obviously a mic, right? It supports a wide mic as well. Earphone, aux, TF USB, and Type-C. And here are the mics. We have a tiny display here, a power button here. The best part is it supports Type-C charging, so you don't have to switch the batteries now and then. Press the power button for 1 second to turn on. Find the SOUNARC K1 here. Just click to pair and pair. Oh my goodness, the bass is incredible, and it gives me this bouncing, you know, bouncing effect. I like the sound, but most importantly is karaoke feature, right? And now it's on. It shows you the battery indicator and the signal bar. And to enter the karaoke mode, press this microphone button for 1 second and will be connected automatically. Hello? Wow!
Right, that's a sound. It's really big. I just cannot raise my voice because I may get deaf, you know. So that's just the unboxing and more first impression. It's super clear, loud, and fun. So I'm gonna do a in-depth review later. So stay tuned for that. Bye bye.
原谅我这样伤大地方中来自由，要为爱。